I'm Sebastian Davies, a learning experience expert at Dassault Systems. Hello, and welcome to this DraftSight for Beginners video on filtering BIM models. In this multi-video series, we will leverage an architectural model of an apartment building that we will manipulate to create more content. In this video, we will focus on filtering different aspects of the BIM model. Filters reduce the design content shown in the graphics area to just those aspects that we want to review. This limits the drawing entities and the information included in data extracts, so that it is possible to easily obtain precision lists. Please note that these are preliminary steps. In the following video, we will use tools to generate plans, sections and elevations, as well as apply materials to enhance the drawing detailing. So, let's get started. We start with an apartment building open and the BIM Navigator palette active. The BIM Navigator has tabs that let us manage BIM files, entities within them, the drawings we create, as well as filters. We click the filters as we want to reduce the information shown in the drawing. The filters can be broken into sections. The drop-down lists all of the available filters. The ones currently shown come out of the box, but we can create and save more as required. As the filters will directly affect the extract data, we have the option to launch the Extract Data Wizard directly from the filters. The BIM Files drop-down lets us define what we want to include in the filtering process. By default, all the BIM files that we've inserted into our drawing are included. However, should we want to include more files in the filtering process, but they are not currently inserted in the drawing, then we can add them manually here by using the Add Filter parameter icon. We only want to filter the currently inserted BIM file, so do not need to add any more. The next section defines the filter criteria, where we can apply the conditions to the filter. To start, we click the drop-down and click Category from the list. There are two operators available to us that return true or false. The equals operator will only return information that matches the selected criteria and is therefore considered true, while the exclamation mark equals returns information that is considered false. We want to see only certain categories, so we will click the drop-down. This lists the content of the category field in the BIM entities in the drawing. As the field content is variable, we can activate multiple options. So we click Column, Door, and scroll down to Window and click to activate it too. With this done, we click Add to have the filter criteria applied to the drawing. Then click Southeast Isometric View in the View Navigator to better see the drawing content. We do not want to see the columns, so click the Delete button beside it in order to remove them, while retaining the rest of the filter criteria. Next, we will develop the filter further. We click the drop-down and click Level. This lets us define which level or floors the doors and windows that we want to include or exclude are on. We will leave the operator as true for now and click the far right drop-down list to select the level field content. We then click 1 first floor, 2 second floor and 3 third floor and click Add to improve the filter. We'll then use the mouse and keyboard to pan, free rotate and zoom in the graphics area. We want to take a quick look at the windows and doors on the other floors of the building. To do this, we need to change the filter operator. We click the central drop-down and click exclamation mark equals from the list. Then click Add. This updates the existing filter to show the windows and doors on every level except the first, second and third. We will click Front on the View Navigator to better see this. We do not want to include these, so change the filter back. We click the central drop-down once more and click Equals from the list, then click Add. We want to remove the third floor information, so click Delete beside 3 third floor. We will complete the filter by setting a group and sort criteria. We click on the Group By drop-down and click Level and then click Add. We then click the Sort drop-down and click Type. Next, we will click Save As to save the filter. In the Specify Name dialog, we type Floor 1 plus 2 -doors -windows and click OK to save it and make it available in the future. We can activate it any time from the list of available filters. We're also able to change the filter name or delete it if it is no longer needed. We want to simplify the filter name, so click the Rename and Delete button and click Rename from the listed options. In the Rename Filter dialog, we change the name to FLR12-DR Win and click OK to change the name. By using filters, we are able to quickly identify and extract data related to any aspect of the design easily and make sure that standard complex filters are available throughout the life cycle of the build development. In our next video, we will create 2D technical drawings from the model. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for even more great content and click the link in the description below to access additional tips, tricks and training courses.